Welcome to ABCL. Anybody can learn.
Hello viewers. In this Diwali special video, I will give you some interesting and innovative ideas about Diwali celebration, by which you can make Diwali this time more interesting and enjoyable. So, watch this video till the end to get some innovative ideas. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel ABCL and your YouTube Wali ma'am. So, let's begin with some creative ideas and activities for Diwali celebration. Before starting, I wish you all a happy and prosperous Diwali. The first idea is commitment of good deeds on this Diwali. Both parents and students can commit of good deeds on this Diwali so that you can do good things in your life. Some good commitments are no Chinese Diwali products at home. You can commit on this Diwali that you will not use any made in China product. Buy earthen diyas from roadside poor sellers and maker. The very good novel work that you can do on this Diwali is that you can buy earthen diyas from poor sellers on roadside. Save environment by less or no cracker burn on this Diwali. Save electricity by using less electricity. Small kids and old age people get disturbed by crackers, so on this day, help them in this by no or less cracker burst. Second activity you can do is role play. This is for students. Here, students can choose one his/her favorite character from Ramayana and can dress up like that character and deliver one or two dialogue and make small videos and share it to your online class and friends. Third activity is designing e-cards and e-posters. There are lots of templates available on net. You can use it and make e-cards and e-posters for your friends and teachers. You can send them through social sites and mails. Some sites from where you can easily create e-cards and e-posters are egreeting.gov.in, sparkdope.com, mynameart.com, etc. All the links are given in description box. You can check out from there. Fourth activity you can do is online quiz for students and parents. Based on Diwali and Ramayana, both parents and students can play online quiz game and can check their knowledge. Some sites from where you can play online quiz are testmost.com, kahoot.it, googleform.com. Links are shared in description box. The fifth and very interesting idea is crafting. Students as well as parents can showcase their creativity in Diwali crafting. Some crafting ideas are Diwali lantern by papers, diya making by craft paper, handmade cards by craft paper, and earthen diya decoration by fabric colors or any color you have. Sixth idea is recite poem and rhymes. Here, students can recite small poem or self-composed poem based on Diwali and make video and send to your online classes, friends and relatives. Small kids can recite rhymes with actions and make video and do same. Seventh activity is fancy dress. Students can dress up like different characters from Ramayana and can say something about that character like their name, their inequality, etc. and make small video and send to your online classes, friends or relatives. Eighth and very interesting activity you can do is Rangoli making. This is for both parents and students. Both can make different rangoli using rangoli colors and pattern and click pics or make videos of that and send it to their online classes and friends. Ninth idea is listen audiobooks based on Ramayana and Diwali. You can also listen audiobooks on Ramayana and can read books related to Lord Rama and Diwali. This will help you and your child to gain knowledge about our culture, our tradition, and our historical things. 10th idea is small moral storytelling from Diwali or Ramayana story. Here, students can narrate small story from Diwali or Ramayana story and can say moral of that story. 11th activity you can do is drawing. Students can draw drawing on Diwali theme and can send pics to their online classes. Some Diwali themes are harmful effects of firecrackers, save animals on Diwali, COVID-19 time Diwali versus regular Diwali, social message on Diwali, novel way to celebrate Diwali, etc. 12th idea is watch Diwali related movies or short movies. You can watch Diwali related movies or short movies. This will help small students to develop good characters in them. And the 13th idea is you can also listen songs and rhymes on Diwali based themes by which you can enjoy more on this Diwali. So, do all these activities on this Diwali and make it more special and enjoyable. Have a happy and safe Diwali. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.